Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 2-pack of marble soap trays, a ceramic soap holder. Nothing to really show you around the box, but we'll open it up and see what these look like. Oh, nice packaging, nicely protected. And so I'm guessing this is one. Yep, so 1, 2, and that's it for the box. So let's open up this one. Inside of this is our ceramic soap dish number 1. I love that little gold ring right along the top, and it has just that nice ceramic feel and weight to it, and looks genuinely really good. And then this one is the same. So as you can see, 2 identical soap dishes, perfect for if you have 2 bathrooms in your house and you're wanting to put a soap dish in each one. You can get this and have you matching soap dishes in each bathroom, or even at a his and her sink. You could have one for him, one for her, and that'd be great as well. So thanks again to this company for sending me these ceramic soap dishes to unbox and show you. As you can see, you get everything needed to put these on your sink and put soap in them and start using them. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.